Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Electric food warming mat. Must-have hosting essential. Transform your dining and hosting experience with the roller-up electric food warming mat, the ultimate solution for keeping your meals perfectly warm and ready to serve. Whether it's an intimate family dinner or a large gathering, this sleek warming tray provides rapid full-surface heating in just 10 seconds. No more cold food at parties, just consistently delicious dishes kept at the ideal temperature for every occasion. Space-saving, roll-up design. Unlike bulky kitchen gadgets, the roller-up warming mat is designed with modern living in mind. Its flexible, durable silicone material easily rolls up for compact storage, saving you precious counter space. Ideal for on-the-go warmth. Whether you're camping, RV traveling, or setting up a buffet, it's the perfect companion for keeping food warm no matter where life takes you. Turkey baster. Ideal baster for cooking. Impress your family with a juicy, meaty feast at a family, Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner with our durable turkey baster syringe. Its stainless steel construction allows you to dip the baster in even the hottest meals, while the silicone bulb remains cool to touch, heat-resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Maximum suction power. Our easy-to-hold silicone baster bulb is designed to provide perfect grip. With one single press, you can fill up the 5.5 ounces dripless baster with liquid, ready to add more flavor to your meal. Easy to clean. Cleaning up is a breeze by simply detaching the blasting bulb from syringe, using our included cleaning brush to remove any particle. Our blazing syringe is also completely dishwasher safe. Electric vegetable chopper. Simply stack and press to chop. The patented stack press design makes it easy to assemble and use. Simply press the lid to chop and release to stop. Since all you do is stack the lid on top of the bowl, no difficult twist locking is needed. Perfect size for everyday use. Chop and mix up to 3 cups of ingredients every day of the week with this 3-cup chopper. It's the perfect size for everyday use, yet small enough for easy storage. Easily chop, puree, and emulsify with stainless steel blades. Durable stainless steel blades make easy work of a multitude of ingredients including onions, carrots, and nuts. Oil dispenser on lid makes it easy to emulsify dressings, dips, and sauces. Vacuum sealer. Simple one-touch sealing. Easily seal your food with the dry or moist buttons. Just press to vacuum and seal dry or moist foods with this vacuum sealer machine. Perfect for preserving meats, vegetables, fruits, and more. This food vacuum sealer keeps your items fresh longer. Precision for delicate foods. Need extra care? The pulse button gives you precise control over vacuuming soft or delicate items like chips or baked goods, ensuring they stay intact. With this food sealer vacuum sealer, you can preserve your food's texture and flavor with confidence. External canister vacuuming. Expand your sealing options with the external vac button to vacuum seal food in canisters. Whether it's liquids, snacks, or smaller items, this vacuum sealer for food handles it all. No need for bulky freezer bags. Cheese grater. Makes everything simple. Just forget your bagged cheese. Only turn the handle for several times and get fresh shredded cheese, cutting the food 12 times faster and saving more time. Go ahead for your favorite recipes with this cheese grater. Premium material. All parts of the rotary cheese grater are made of food-grade ABS material, no BPA. The 3 blades are made of stainless steel, never dull or rust. Our rotary grater provides safe choice and ensures you can enjoy healthy food. 3-option grater. The Parmesan cheese grater finishes food preparation with slicing, shredding, and grinding blade easily, which is perfect for grating cheese, cookie, peanuts, almonds, etc., for salad, hash brown, taco, smoothie, and so on. Safe to use. The cheese grater with handle protects your hands from all sides during use. The handle replaces your hands in rotating, and the food pusher keeps your hands away from the blades. Sandwich maker. The perfect gift. Whether it's a birthday, a white elephant party, or Father's Day, the breakfast sandwich maker makes a fantastic gift for all occasions. From dads to grads, it's the ideal present for busy professionals, students, and foodies alike. Make 1 or 2 sandwiches. Cook 1 or 2 sandwiches at once with this dual breakfast sandwich maker. It's great for couples, kids, and extra guests. Quick, easy, and ready to eat in 5 minutes. This sandwich maker lets you easily create a breakfast, lunch, or dinner sandwich in 5 minutes or less. Perfect for a quick meal on the go. Cook delicious breakfast sandwiches in the comfort of your own home. Skip the fast food drive-thru and the store's freezer section. Make your own hot, delicious breakfast sandwiches at home instead. Electric candle lighter. Upgrade electric lighter. The windproof and splash-proof design of the electric arc lighter ensures that you can easily use it under any weather conditions. Not only candle lighter, the flexible and 360 rotatable neck of the lighter can meet the needs of your in different occasions. Rechargeable USB lighter. The lighters can be used 600 times on a single charge, which display real-time battery volume. Portable lighter. The size of the lighter is very small and slim. It is suitable for daily use. What you get: an electric lighter, a USB charging cable, and a manual. Magnetic shelf. Magnetic function. This capable of supporting up to 15 kilograms of weight. The magnetic suction feature allows the shelf to be easily attached to any metal surface, such as a refrigerator or a metal shelf, without the need for any additional support. This makes it ideal for use in small kitchens or other spaces where storage is limited. They can easily hold a variety of items, including fruits, vegetables, utensils, and other kitchen accessories, without bending or breaking. Multi-purpose. The best part about this magnetic shelf is its versatility. Use it to store fruits and vegetables in the kitchen, helping keep the food fresh. Additionally, it can be used in the office break room to organize coffee pods, snacks, and sodas. Say goodbye to cluttered spaces and hello to organized living with this magnetic shelf. Dish drying mats. Maintain a perpetually clean and organized countertop. The exquisite design of our drying mat transforms it into more than just a functional product. It becomes a captivating decoration that accentuates the elegant taste of the homeowner, adding a touch of brilliance to every corner of your home. Thicker and reversible. Our silicone dish drying mat for kitchen counter features a robust and reversible design. The increased thickness and raised texture provide excellent support for items such as bowls, plates, cups, and drain racks, preventing any collapse. The enhanced thickness also ensures greater durability and resistance to tearing. With its reversible design, you can save cleanup time and maintain a dry bottom surface on the kitchen drying mat. Food kitchen scale. Supports 5 units, Oz/LB, Oz/FLAS/G/ML, tear function, and includes 2 AAA batteries for hassle-free operation. Accurately weighs up to 11 pounds per 5 kilograms with 1G increments. The small and sleek scale is a perfect fit for most kitchens, occupying little space and easily storable in cabinets. Just wipe down the 304 food-grade stainless steel surfaces to keep clean. Backlit LCD screen with large fonts for easy reading. Electric can opener. Effortless can opening. Hands-free operation. Smoothly opens cans with minimal effort. Easy operation. Open almost any cans with our electric can opener. Press the button to start. Cuts cleanly along the side of cans, leaving smooth edges. Press the button again to stop. Thoughtful gift idea. A practical and versatile gift for family and friends. Suitable for kitchen enthusiasts and anyone seeking convenience. Smooth edge design. The blade cuts along the side of the can, reducing food contact, prevents spills, and leaves smooth, rounded edges. User-friendly design. Ergonomic design allows for strain-free use. Ideal for elderly individuals and those with limited hand strength.